Hello everyone and welcome to IT Learn 360 YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about what are the top 5 jobs what you can easily get to enter into the IT industry. Definitely, we see more than 70% plus industries are shut down due to this COVID-19. And only IT industry is the industry which is surviving and still working. Why? Because IT industry is everybody is working from home. And you can also avail that opportunity and you can get job in IT industry. So let us quickly check out what are those 5 top important jobs which you can get into the IT industry, and you can enter the IT industry with these 5 job options. So right now, these are most 5 important jobs which you can utilize. First job is called as quality assurance jobs. So if you know the basics of manual testing, how to test a particular website, you can definitely get a job in the IT market, that is quality assurance jobs. Second, you can also find a job as a business analyst. A basic understanding and the basic important tools like Jira, etc. you can utilize, and you can work out like how do you grow yourself as a business analyst. Third option, there is little bit programming knowledge required, that is called as Java developers. If you can enter into the IT industry with a Java knowledge, definitely IT is still waiting for you. There are a number of companies who are still looking forward for some good programmers. You can go and brush up your Java concepts and the programming skills, and you can enter into the IT industry. Fourth option is data analyst job. Yes, data analyst is another job for which a lot of companies are looking forward, especially into IT. And fifth option you can talk about, that is .NET developers. Similar to Java developers, industry is also offering a lot of .NET developer job applications. So the question comes, if you have those skills, how you can apply for how you can apply for those jobs. So we are giving you that option at the QOnlinetraining.com portal. We are offering a lot of local jobs which are from various recruiters in the local to the Washington DC, Virginia. You can submit your resume and you can quickly get connected with various local recruiters. They'll help you out, the companies, and they'll give you a lot of opportunities to get into the IT market. So I hope you able to get the information. All the important URLs through which you can upload your resume is down there in the description section. So you can quickly, after watching this video, go to the description section, click on the links, and then put on your resume. I hope you like the video. Click subscribe button, hit subscribe, and put on if you have any kind of questions in the comment box. We'll help you out with those questions. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching IT Learn 360.